I speak English, you speak Chinese.
我说英文，你说中文。
Excellent. Very, very good. So teacher Jiang is my Chinese teacher.
姜老师是我中文老师。
Excellent. Very, very good. Here, there's a Chinese song. Very simple. So first, let's look at the song. So read the pinyin by yourself.
你好，你好，你好，你好。
Yeah.
你好吗？你好吗？
Beautiful.
我很好，再见。我很好，再见，再见，再见。
Very, very simple, right, for you right now. Okay, now let's listen to the song. Yeah, let's enjoy. Okay, I hope you can follow this song, and to learn that, then you can teach your kids. Okay, go.
你好，你好，你好，你好，你好吗？你好吗？我很好，再见，我很好，再见，再见，再见。
Follow that, okay? Proceed.
你好，你好，你好，你好，你好吗？你好吗？我很好，再见，我很好，再见，再见，再见。
So here we go. Now let's listen to Francis to sing this beautiful song. 你好. Here you go.
Okay. 你好，你好，你好，你好，你好吗？你好吗？我很好，好，再见。我很好，我很好，再见，再见，再见。
Wow, beautiful.
Thank you.
Very
谢谢。
good. 很好，很好. Yeah. So just this. 我很好，再见。我很好，再见。Only here. Okay, say one more time for this. Okay. 我很好，再见。我很好，再见，再见。Right? We go.
Okay. 你好，你好，你好，你好，你好吗？你好吗？我很好，再见。我很好，再见，再见，再见。
Wow, amazing! If you want my ebook or you want to learn Chinese with me personally, please contact me by email. I will help you speak Chinese confidently.